Is it possible to retrieve old job W-2 forms online?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to discuss a common question that often arises during tax season. Is it possible to retrieve old job W-2 forms online? The short answer is yes, it is generally possible. Let's explore how you can do this step by step.
What is a W-2 form?
First, it's important to understand what a W-2 form is. The W-2 form is a statement that you receive from your employer at the end of the year. It shows how much you earned and how much was taken out for taxes. It's crucial for preparing your tax return.
How long should employers keep W-2 forms?
Employers are generally required to keep employment tax records for at least 4 years after the date that the tax becomes due or is paid, whichever is later. Therefore, they should have W-2s available for at least this duration.
Can you get W-2 forms online?
The process to retrieve your W-2 forms online can depend on the employer and the services they use. Some employers might provide digital access to W-2 forms through a company portal. If this is the case, you should be able to log in and download your old W-2 forms.
What if you can't get W-2s from your employer?
If you cannot obtain your W-2s from your employer, you can request wage and income transcripts from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. These transcripts are free and they provide most of the line entries from an original W-2. You can order them online, by phone, or by mail.
What to do in case of incomplete or incorrect W-2 information?
If your W-2 is incomplete or incorrect, you should contact your employer to have it corrected. If you cannot obtain a corrected W-2, you may need to use Form 4852, substitute for Form W-2, which you can also get from the IRS. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you on how to retrieve old job W-2 forms online. Remember, everyone's situation is unique, and if you're facing difficulties or have specific concerns, it may be best to consult a tax professional. Have a great day and stay tuned for more helpful tax and financial advice.